Hello, this is the lecture number 2 for the chapter conic section, and we're discussing the last lecture, the circles, and we have done up to question number 9 of the first exercise. Question number 10, we have to find the equation of the circle which is passing through the 2 points. Equation of circle which is passing through the point, it is 4, 1 and 6. 5 and the center of the circle lie on this line. The center of the circle is lie on this line. The equation is 4x plus y is equal to 16, and you have to find the equation of the circle. Now we can solve, we can find the equation of the two circle using any one of the formula, either this formula x minus a ka whole square y minus k ka whole square is equal to r square, or by using the general equation of the circle x square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. You can use any, because these 2 points which is lie on this circle will satisfy this equation. Either this or this will get 2 or 3 equation, and you have to, in this case you have to find the value of hk to find and r to find the equation of circle, and in this case you have to find the value of g, f and c to find the equation of the circle. So we have 2 questions based like this, question number 9 as well as the question number 10 and 11. So one I will do with the equation this x minus h ka whole square y minus k ka whole square is equal to r square will satisfy the 2 points, that is first point 4 1 and the second point is 6 5. I am taking this as a and this as b, and this is the center of the circle. So you put this point, it will be 4 minus h ka whole square 1 minus k ka whole square is equal to r square. This is the first equation, or you can simplify it. It's 16 a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to r square. So we have h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k is equal to r square minus 17. So I have taken this equation as second. Now similarly this point will satisfy this equation. It will be 6 minus h ka whole square and 5 minus k ka whole square is equal to r square, because the value of x and y will satisfy this equation of the circle, and you will get equation this a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to r square. So you are getting h square plus k square minus 12h minus 10k is equal to r square minus 36 plus 25, it is equal to 50 and 61. So this is the equation number 3. Now if we subtract these 2 equations, question number 3 को इससे subtract करेंगे, तो ये subtract x square cancel, k square से k square cancel, minus 8h plus 12k, it will be equal to 4h minus 2k plus 10k, it will be equal to 8k, and you subtract r square with r square, and minus 17 plus 61, so you subtract it, it will be equal to 444, and you can divide the whole equation by 4 also. So this is equal to the 4th equation. Now because the center of the circle is hk, it will satisfy this equation, given equation. So hk will satisfy the equation of the circle, that is x minus h ka equation of the circle, that is 4x plus y is equal to 16. So you will get 4h plus k is equal to 16. So this is the equation number of 5. Now what you have to do? This is the equation number 5, linear equation in terms of h and k, and this is the equation in terms of h and k. Now you solve these two equations, fourth and fifth, to get the value of h and k. h और k की वैल्यू पता कर लीजिए. That is the center of the circle. When you put the value of h and k either in the equation number 3 or equation number 2, you'll get the radius of the circle. You'll get the radius of the circle. And when you put the value of h and k in the original equation of the circle, you'll get the equation of the circle. And by solving it, you are getting this equation of the circle in question number 10 as it is when you you will get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. What I'm saying that you have to solve the equation number 4 and 5 to get the value of h and k, and put the value of h or k either in 2 or 3, you'll get the value of k. You'll get the value of r, and when you put the value of h and k and r in this equation, you'll get the equation of the circle. So this question I have done by using the first equation of circle when the center and radius is given. Now the question number 11 is also same, but the data is different. It says that you have to find the equation circle passing through the point 2, 3 and minus 1, 1. I'm calling this at 1 and this is as 2, and the center of this circle is lying on the line x minus 3y is equal to 11. Now I'll solve this by using general equation of the circle. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 will satisfy the point A and point B. So first of all, put the value of x and y as 2 and 3 in this. It will be, if you put this 2, that is 4, 9, value of x is 2, that is 4g, value of y is 3, that is 6y, plus c equal to 0. So you are getting this as 4g plus 6y plus 13 plus c equal to 0. First and second. Now again the second point, that is minus 1 and 1, will satisfy this equation. So it will be 1 plus 1. The value of x is minus 1, so minus ka 2g. Value of y is 1 plus ka 2f plus c equal to 0. So you are getting this as minus 2g plus 2f plus 2 plus c equal to 0. Let us call this equation be 3. And because the center of this circle is minus g minus f in the general equation of circle, so minus g minus f will satisfy this equation of the circle, that is x minus 3y is equal to 11. So put the value of x as minus g, the value of y as minus f equal to 11. So you are getting minus g plus 3f is equal to 11. This is the equation number 4. Now we have the equation number 2, 3 and 4 in terms of 2g and g, f and c. So how can you find the values of g, f and c to obtain the equation of the circle? Now you can subtract the equation number 2 and 3 to get the equation in terms of g and f. You can get the equation of g and f. So आप subtract करने पर you will get the equation of 6g and plus 4f is equal to minus का 11. Now when you solve this equation number 4 and 5, जब आप 4 और 5 को solve करेंगे, you will get the value of g and f. You will get the value of g and f as value of f you are getting 5 upon 2 and the value of g you will get minus 7 upon 2. This is the value of g and f. You take your time to find the value of g and f. When you put this equation in either third or 2, you will get the value of c. Put in equation number 2, you will get the value of c as minus 14. Minus ka 14. This is. So what is the equation of the circle? You put the value of g, f and c in this equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle 2 से 2 कैंसिल -7x, 2 से 2 cancel 5y, minus का 14 equal to 0. You'll get this equation of circle. So I've done this question number 10 and 11, which is the same question, only the data is different. Question number 10 I have done by using the first equation of circle when the center and radius is given, and the 11th question with the same data I have done with the second method by using the general equation of the circle. So this is an important question. Now let us take the question number 12, which says that, what it says in question number 12, find the equation of circle with the radius 5. Equation circle with the radius 5 and the center lie on the x-axis. So let us take the center lie on the x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate is 0 and the center is hk and is passing to the point 2, 3. It is passing to the point 2, 3. So let center hk on x-axis. I am using the first equation of circle. जब x-axis पर लाई कर रहा है तो सेंटर hk होगा तो k की वैल्यू विल बी 0. सो cp विल बी इक्वल टू 5. गिवन है ये रेडियस, cp 5 के इक्वल है. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूले से आप डिस्टेंस निकालिए cp 3 - 0 का होल स्क्वायर अंडर रूट इक्वल टू 5 and you will get the value of h. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus 9 is equal to 5 square. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड करके रूट भी हट गया तो h square minus 4h 13 25 minus 13 25 minus 13 it will be 7 and 5 12 equal to 0. और जब आप इसके फैक्टर बनाएंगे तो h minus 6 h plus 2 equal to 0. So value of h ये हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा. So you'll get two forms of the equation. It will be, ये है सेंटर h ये, तो x minus h का होल स्क्वायर y minus k का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. जब ये h की वैल्यू है k तो 0 है ही, या फिर जब हम h की वैल्यू लेते हैं x प्लस 2 का होल स्क्वायर y minus 0 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. जब h की वैल्यू हमारे पास 6 है तो ये इक्वेशन है, h की वैल्यू आपके पास -2 है तो ये इक्वेशन है. दो फॉर्म आएंगे बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ h एस 2. दो वैल्यूज आ रही हैं h की. तो थोड़ा सा इजी क्वेश्चन था ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. नाउ द 13 क्वेश्चन सेज दैट फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू 0 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू द 0 0 मेकिंग एन इंटरसेप्ट्स ऑफ a. थोड़ा और नीटली बना लीजिए लाइक दिस 0 0. एक्स इंटरसेप्ट उसका a है और y इंटरसेप्ट उसका b है. एक्स एक्सेस y एक्सेस. सो ये x इंटरसेप्ट a बना रहा है, y इंटरसेप्ट b बना रहा है. तो ये पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा a0, ये पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा 0b और ये पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा 0 0. तो 3 पॉइंट्स हमें सर्कल के पता हैं. दिस. So therefore the point 0 0, the point b that is a0 and the point 0b will satisfy. I am taking the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I am taking this equation of circle. By using these 3 points I will find the values of a b c. तो जब मैंने a की वैल्यू रखी तो 0 0 0 0 c इक्वल टू 0 तो मेरे पास c की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है. जब मैंने ये वाला पॉइंट रखा तो x की वैल्यू है तो a स्क्वायर प्लस y की वैल्यू रखी 0, a की वैल्यू रखी कितनी a, x की वैल्यू a रखी, y की वैल्यू कितनी रखी 0 और c तो 0 है ही. तो इसे सॉल्व करने पर जो g की वैल्यू आ रही है -a/2 आ रही है. g की वैल्यू -a/2. जब मैंने थर्ड वैल्यू रखी दैट इज 0b तो यहाँ पर रखिए x की जगह 0 और y की जगह b. तो 0 b स्क्वायर, x की जगह 0, y की जगह b और c की वैल्यू 0 है. तो मेरे पास यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू आ रही है f की -b/2. These are the values of g, f and c. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx. तो g की वैल्यू ये है प्लस 2fy. तो f की वैल्यू हमारे पास -b/2 है और c आपका 0 है. c आपका 0. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. ये वो इक्वेशन सर्कल है which is passing through the origin and making an intercept of A on the x-axis and intercept of B on the y-axis. जब इसका x intercept है तो ये point हो गया B A0 and this point will be 0 B, and we are getting the 3 points on the equation of the circle. When we have 3 points on the equation of the circle, you have to satisfy these general equation of the circle. You will get 3 equations, and solving those 3 equations you will get the value of G, F and C. Okay, so this is the equation number 13. Now in equation number 14, which says that find the equation circle with the center at 2 2, जिसका center आपका 2 2 है, and which is passing through the point 4 5. तो इसका मतलब आपको h और k की वैल्यू गिवन है और डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूले से आप रेडियस निकाल लेंगे OP, which will be equal to under root 4 minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर and 5 minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर. तो what you are getting? 2 square 3 square root 13 is the radius of this circle. यस का रेडियस आ गया एंड इक्वेशन विल बी सेंटर और रेडियस पता है तो ये वाला फॉर्मूला विल यूज इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर. तो x माइनस एच 2 का होल स्क्वायर, y माइनस के इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 2 का होल स्क्वायर एंड r इज रूट 3, तो रूट 13 का स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 13. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल व्हेन द सेंटर एंड एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल इज गिवन एंड बाय यूजिंग द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला वी हैड फाइंड आउट द रेडियस. In question number 15 of this exercise, you have to find minus 2.5 and 3.5 is lying outside this circle or lying inside this circle or lying on the circle. So if we put the value of x as minus 2.5, y as 3.5 ka whole square, if it is coming out to be equal to 25, it means that this point is lying on the circle. Otherwise it will not lie on the circle. If this is equal less than, it is coming out to be less than 25, then it will be inside the circle, and if its value is greater than 25, then it will lie outside the circle. Now because this value is less than 25, it will lie inside the circle. x और y की वैल्यू रखने पर अगर ये x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर 25 के इक्वल आता है तो पॉइंट विल लाई ऑन द सर्कल. इसकी वैल्यू अगर 25 से लेस आती है तो इट विल लाई इनसाइड द सर्कल. इफ इट्स वैल्यू इज more than 25, then it will lie outside the circle. Okay, this is the completion of this exercise. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.